What's up?
Start to pull the chrome for Mr. Range. So Restoration Plating out of Spokane. They do all of our chrome. Yes, we're in Alabama. Yes, they're in Spokane. But they are one of the best chromers that I've seen in the country.
Oh, cool.
So
all right.
props to you guys over at Restoration Plating.
Nice. I got a question.
Yeah.
Are VW buses safe?
No.
What?
Well, what's your definition of safe? Will it survive a 5-mile-an-hour bumper crash? Yes. Which is all they were really designed to do. In fact, that's actually a good thing. So, like in today's modern cars, they have all this crash and crumple zones and impact zones and bumpers that have basically, what's that white fluffy stuff? It's almost like shipping peanuts.
Styrofoam?
Yeah, styrofoam. So there's actually styrofoam built into bumpers.
Really?
So it's like my wife's Honda. It's got styrofoam. It's got plastic bumpers, but there's an impact section, and there's pieces of plastic with a cross lattice, and so it's all designed, computer engineered. But back in the day, well, let's go over here and take a look at Mr. Corolla's bus. And this is an upgraded bumper. So one of the reasons that I said no is this is their version of an airbag. So as you can see, you look in here, driver sits here.
Yeah.
So your butt's over the tire.
Yeah.
Which means your legs are here. The front of the car is here.
Yeah.
So if you're in a front end collision, there's a good chance you're going to break your legs.
Crumple zone does not exist.
No, there is no crumple zone in here. There is some cross bracing in behind the dash, and then the bumper on this one is actually there's a what they call a sub bumper.
Okay.
So this is actually built into the frame of the vehicle, and it goes back into the frame, and this is a decorative bumper. But if you get smacked on that, it's going in, and it doesn't really matter.
That's not good.
So and
no airbags, of course.
No airbags.
I mean, there's no computer.
Well, this is the airbag.
That's like I said, no airbags.
And then your driving position here, while there is bracing in the doors,
yeah,
you are so close to that front window. If you get T-boned or hit the side,
yeah,
that's going to crumple. And then another thing with buses is the way their main frame rails run. So the front to back cross members sit about here in the sub body.
okay.
So you have all of that crumple zone. So you do have some crumple zone if you're like really T-boned.
Yeah.
But it's not a modern car.
No.
So there's no, try to stay out of accidents.
Yeah.
I get kind of skeeved on if there's heavy traffic or something because people are just not paying attention.
That's true.
Or they'll, I haven't seen one of those forever.
Oh, shit.
And,
True.
And it's like, it's just kind of one of them things.
Don't be too good looking.
Hey, baby, I can't help it. I'm so sexy, I can't help it, as one of our friends used to say.
All right, so what are you up to with Range?
I'm building the LED taillights. So these have built-in blinkers and backup lights and all that good stuff.
Fancy.
Fancy. So I'm putting them together. I've already got one together. I started working on the headlights, but the trim rings for the headlights don't fit the car.
Oh.
So I grabbed a beat-up original trim ring. It fits the car. So I've got a friend of mine over in Tennessee. Hey, Smitty. What up, Smitty? So Smitty Smith is going to be sending us over 2 originals. Then we'll set it over to Restoration Plating. So another 2-week delay on those before I can even put a headlight in. And then this afternoon I'll be either doing the bumpers or putting on a splash trim. Depends on how fast
Aussie trim?
Aussie flash trim.
Good.
Talked with Jason Fields.
Yeah?
Over in Oregon.
Does a good job.
He's making them. So that's all.
And ours we have it, right?
Yeah, we've got it. And it's already been sent the plating back because actually we didn't buy this set from him. But it was an anodized aluminum. So we went ahead and sent everything to chrome.
Gotcha.
Because if you have like one set of chrome from one plating manufacturer, quality is going to differ per piece.
Oh, yeah.
So even if it was a freshly chrome brand new part,
Could look totally different.
the bumpers we sent out to chrome.
Yeah.
So, it's just one of those things I'd rather have consistency in the product.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
So,
Oh, that's cool.
It's a little bit more expensive.
All right, so we've also got the Aussie trim is going into the second book.
Yes, and
So publisher will be happy. We're making some progress.
it's like the editor has been on my butt about that.
Yeah.
It's just not. It's like, sorry, dude.
Write a book, they said. It'll be fun.
It'll be
they
easy.
said.
And it's like, oh,
no.
I'm so tired of looking at photographs.
Yeah, this is the last one we're doing then.
Yes, at least on our own. So that's really all I got going on.
Okay.
Hit the like, subscribe, notify button. We appreciate it. Trying to get to 1,000. We'll be doing a
Getting
giveaway
there.
to one of our subscribers, a Dark Side gift pack. It's going to include the first book that we did and the second book we did, and maybe a t-shirt, maybe a skateboard, and definitely some stickers. So,
oh, nice.
go see what Shannon and the guys are
Yeah,
doing.
let's see. Let's see. All right, Shannon, what are you up to?
I'm actually got a couple projects going on.
No joke.
We've actually started back to work on Mr. Howard's Buggy here.
Yeah.
We've got the reset rear suspension. I just painted the dash frame for it. It's outside drying now.
Okay.
We've got sway bar to go on, tanks ready to go in. So we're slowly moving in on his.
Are you reassembling?
Yes, reassembling. We have a pretty
Oh, watch this, guys.
unveiling here with a beautiful buggy.
Ooh, that is
Mr.
nice.
J. Howard here. Yes, it's been a long time coming.
Sweet.
Also,
beautiful.
I have started on disassembly and working on Mr. Wilson's buggy back in the back.
Yeah, we still have 3 buggies here.
Let's see, we have only 2. We've got J. Howard and we got Wilson.
All right.
Miss Bose picked hers up
Oh,
last
good.
week, so
Okay.
she's happy with hers.
Oh yeah, that's to swap out for the motorcycle. So fantastic.
Yes, and then
We're gonna have a good time with that.
yeah, and then we've got a few little more things to do on Mr. Martin's Baja. It's here again.
Uh-huh.
A few little things he still need done.
Great.
Other than that, I'm just moving right along with everything.
Up to our elbows in dubs.
Yes, exactly. Bunches
All right.
of them.
Well, keep it
Alright.
up.
Yes, Dub Mania.
Dub, dub,
Dubtopia.
dub.
Dubtopia, yeah.
Oh.
Dubtopia Mania.
I'm doing nothing. That's what I've been doing, is nothing, over and over again.
Hey, fellas.
What's up?
You turn the fan off so we can hear. At least it's a little cooler today.
He was supposed to have already done that. I don't know what his problem is.
I know, right? Slackers. All right, what's the update on Mr. Rusty?
Well,
Guys have been welding your little hearts out, haven't you?
so, I think last week was the wheel wells in yet, or no? No? We were just
Nope,
starting? Okay,
they
the wheel
were
wells.
not.
Wheel wells wheel wells are mounted in permanently.
Okay.
And I just dry fitted the floor. It's not welded in, but they're
Yeah,
went,
wow,
so it's
look at
sitting in
that,
there.
guys. That's amazing.
So it's solid in there now. And then we're doing dry fitting the last little nose piece here, skin on the front here.
All right.
The
Oh,
little
yeah.
piece we got to cut and fit in there. We got this behind the scenes stuff all welded in. That's where the bumpers go through and the actual the frame. It's all hard welded in there. It's down now, so we're just gonna put that piece of skin on there and attach it.
Wow. That's
And
amazing.
that'll be all done.
It's looking good.
Yeah, and then we've got the pieces for this roof. What happened? Let me show you. I'll bring this over there to you. So we have this whole new piece, like we told you before in the videos, that they're coming out with new pieces. So they had this
Yeah.
piece that we ordered,
Oh,
which
yeah.
is the
All right.
outer of this window frame that goes in here.
Okay.
And at the time that we ordered this, they didn't have the inner pieces made. This is how much things are changing.
Wow.
And so we were going to have to figure out how to do this. Well,
know they got it.
since then they've got this entire piece with the inner and outer. So what I was going to have to do with this was cut the outer off and try to weld this in.
Right.
Now we'll just cut this entire thing out and
Oh,
put
yeah.
the whole window in.
Oh, that's great.
So that's what's holding us up on that, because this is keeping us from doing the rest
yeah.
of everything, because it's kind of our strength right here on the
Yeah,
front. So-
definitely. So you got to wait for the other one to come
Right.
in?
And
All
I
right.
started this part here on the side tray. So we cut these out. So these are all going to do everything from the door up.
Okay.
So this piece now is cut, and it will weld in there and right there.
Oh.
And there's an inner part to that too. So now we got to wait on the window so this can
Right,
attach
so
to
it
that.
can
But then
push
this
up.
will be all new. And then when we get this in and the window in, then we can take the top completely off.
Yeah.
So that'll probably be next week, hopefully. So when the window comes, this window comes in, we'll put it in, put these in, and then we're going to cut the entire top off and go from there up.
Wow.
So, and since we've been working on it, when we first started working on it, this air box right up here wasn't made. We were gonna have to try to salvage that or repair it or find a used one.
Yeah.
But since that's how long we've been working on it.
That's
Since we've been
amazing.
working on it, now they made that.
That's incredible.
And they got 4 in, and we've got one of them on hold.
Nice. We
So,
want it. We want it.
That's how fast things
Take my
change on
money.
these things. they didn't even aftermarket did not make that, so you had to just do whatever. But luckily now they do, so we're getting that.
That's fantastic.
So-
Demand increased, supply
Which it
increased.
is, but there's a couple things that we already did that now they make that would have been a lot easier. And
Well, sure.
so, but
Yeah.
oh well.
But you had, you had fun making it, right?
And then,
So much fun.
Now in the back, working our way back to it. We're still waiting on a piece of the back. But what I did is when we got the old hatch piece,
Oh yeah.
and we
Alright.
tacked this in there because what we were doing is this was just floating.
Yeah.
So I tacked the old hatch in here so we actually have the symmetry of
Oh,
where
yeah.
it needs to be now.
Yeah.
And then I can get these lined up. So now we can do some work here without actually having to wait for that piece.
That's
So we're starting to build the back in and tie everything in.
really cool.
So and then of course when we got the new lower pieces in where they go, then we'll be able to cut that out and put the new hatch back in when it goes
Yeah.
in. So
Oh sure.
there's
Do you know
a whole
what
bunch
size
of little
engine
pieces.
we're doing in this, or?
No idea.
No.
Yeah.
It's got a long way away.
Oh yeah. It's like talking about interior.
Exactly.
And I guess somewhere along the video we told you that it's getting air rides. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
air rides. So that we're having to do a lot of modifications with that, but think ahead because for instance
Sure.
the frame, we're gonna have to notch the frame out anyways for that
Oh,
because
yeah.
when it lowers down, so we're having to think through on all those type of deals.
Yeah.
Like just like the wheel wells were in there,
Oh,
we
yeah.
still may have to modify those.
Right. Okay.
So for the tires to fit up in there.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So
Well, that's impressive, though. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
it's a
like
lot
it's like doing an all one color jigsaw puzzle with no box.
but it's all green on this side now. Look, the tire
Oh.
side of Rusty is green right there.
Whoa! Look at that.
So
It's looking good.
we're getting there.
It's getting there. Awesome.
Getting there now. Yep.
Well, it's a thing of beauty. All right, say goodbye to the nice people.
Goodbye, nice people.